On today's episode of Unmuted, we're at Bulawayo, where push carts, also locally known as Scanias, have been banned and have been restricted in working in the CBD. These changes affect lives, and today we'll uncover the stories behind them.
So viewers, welcome to another touching story on Unmuted. So today we are joined by a very young person here at Bulawayo. We are in the city center today. So I just want you to and a few details about yourself as an individual.
So thina manje ngihlangana la vele empilweni labo maningi.
Okay.
So thina azange esikolo vela uhamba asahamba ngiyazi ukusola imali.
Okay.
Bese usenza bokuqhubeka phani ngaloko vela.
So umsebenzi wakho, like on a daily basis, yiwaphi ama-challenges owafisana lawo?
Hlanga mcangisa amaningi. Sometimes city council la iyasigiqinisa.
Alright.
So vele uthi sizesithola imali nje once. Yari imali yankona maybe sayithola maybe bechayezile ngabo 4 or 5. Imini yonke sithona sibaleka
Yeah. Growing up, ukhula, wafisa ukuthi ngabe wayenzani if you had the opportunity to go to school, etc.
Ngingafuna kwami ngithi lami at least ngingathola nje umsebenzi womnene ozakwazi ukunginika imali ukuthi lami ngikwazi ukuziphilisa empilweni yami vele kwakho.
One of the major reasons why the city has banned push carts and Scania operators in town is because they want to enforce city aesthetics. From an anonymous interview, someone said we should not prioritize city aesthetics and ignore unemployment.
So what about? So we're coming from Site Youth Network, Summer Scrum Youth. So as a young entrepreneur, job as savings, you're walking around, you have my challenges to face as a young person.
Ngiyazifisa ukuthi ngingaqeda lokho engikwenzayo umsebenzi lo engiwenzayo bese ilokhu imali yangikhona vele sisiyakwana bese ngiyayenza ama-course like ngifuna ukuthi impilo yami kube right empilo.
Okay. So ngibuza ukukhuluma nge-course, yiphi i-course ofuna ukuyenza?
I-course engifuna ukuyenza
Welding. Alright. What are my challenges ongathi you face as a young person ukuthola umsebenzi and all that?
Ama-challenges ongafisayo ukuthi kusoma Scanias ukuthi sometimes labo babe sami impilo babe sebefuna ukuthi sometimes mabe bavimba laphana ukhoza ukuthi benze into ezingekho right lokho zonke bese siba amasela sometimes.
So wena wazalelwa ngaphi njalo wakhulela ngaphi?
Mina ngizalelwe eCholocho, ngakhulela eCholocho. Then lapha ukuye ngokuthi lami ngizothola umsebenzi omncane.
The major takeaway was that policymakers should carefully assess the gravity of the situation on individuals affected by that policy.
There you have it, viewers. Another very beautiful episode of Unmuted. So one of the key challenges that we faced whilst shooting our own episode is that people are very reluctant to social media, because social media has turned to a space where people are very judgmental. People inflict third-party bullying upon other people. So young people are very reluctant to that thing where they feel like everyone is going to showcase their problems, or they're going to joke about their problems on the comment section. People are not going to be remorseful as a whole. Propose that each and every one of our people within our nation has a certain level of humanity in order for us to create and perpetuate a level of change for certain people. So in essence, this has been a very, very beautiful episode of Unmuted. And I'm your host, Franklin Swan.